Washing your hands after every 2 hours? Yes or no? Alright, now today we are live here. We are trying our best way, every possible way to reach out to you so that you get engaged in your studies. Okay, you can watch TV, no problem. You can watch TV, but at least 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the evening you spend your time in your books. Alright? And today I am here, my dear class 3 students, I am here with a new lesson for you, that is Successor and Predecessor. Do you know what is Successor and Predecessor? Okay, I'll just give you a practical example. Now you are in class 3. In which class? 3, isn't it? So, before you were in which class? Yes, class 2. And after you succeed class 3, which class you will go? You will go to class 4, isn't it? So, successor and predecessor is also the same way, just before and after. Now, how? I will teach you. Now, look at the board. Can you see the board? See, I have written some numbers. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now, look at the numbers. What comes immediately after 1? 2. What comes immediately after 3? After 2? 3. Immediately after 3? 4. So it goes on. Alright? So we cannot just say it is a sequence of numbers. These are the numbers we use in mathematics. We cannot just say randomly 1, 3, 5 like that. No, the number that comes immediately after a particular number. Suppose let us consider this number 5. What comes after 5? Which number comes after 5? 6. So, now children, what is successor? The number that comes just after the particular number is called successor. Now, 6 is the successor of number 5. What is the successor of number 5? 6. Okay? Likewise, 7 is the successor of 6. And 8 is the successor of 7. Did you understand, my dear students? Now again I repeat, successor is a number that comes immediately after a particular number. For example, let us talk about 19. What comes after 19? Yes, you are correct. You can prompt the answer sitting there. It is 20. So 20 is the successor of 19. Alright? Are you getting me? Now, look at this number. Like I had taught you in the class place value. Do you know place value? We have already done that in our class. Now see the last digit 3. Ones, tens and hundreds. So what number is this? 423. What number? 423. So can you tell me what would be the successor of 423? See the last digit. It is 3. So what comes immediately after 3? Yes, 4. So 424 is the successor of 423. Did you get me? So if I ask you, what is the successor of 50? Yes, 51. 51 is the successor. Anything that comes immediately after, okay? Immediately after, like you are in class 3 right now, isn't it? So after class 3, you are not going to class 5 or class 10, isn't it? Obviously, you will go to class 4. So class 4 is the successor of class 3. Did you get me? Okay, children. Now, let us come to predecessor. What is predecessor? It is just the opposite of successor. Like the number that comes just after the particular number is successor. The number that comes just before a particular number is called predecessor. Okay? Now, you can get predecessor by subtracting 1. Successor by adding 1 means predecessor by subtracting 1. Let us take this number 10. So what comes before 10? 9. Before 9? 8. Before 8? 7. So likewise it goes on. Understood, children? So again I repeat, what comes before 10? 9. Before 9? 8. Before 8? 7. So it goes on. That is the predecessor. Understood? Predecessor is the number that comes immediately before the given number. Understood? Now, see here. Let us take the same 423. Children, see here carefully. 423 is the number. Now, we have already done 424 is the successor of 423. So, can you find out what is the predecessor of 423? Can you tell me? Okay, some of you are prompting the answer from there. Very good. Clap for yourself. Alright, so see the last digit number, it is 3. So, what comes just before 3? Yes, 2. So, the predecessor of 423 is 422. Understood? The predecessor of 423 is 422. This is the number before. Before is called predecessor and after, that is called successor. Predecessor is before, after is successor. Now let us do some exercise on the board. I will be writing some numbers. Children. Please note it down. Can you see? Can you see the board, children, from there? Okay. Now, see. I'll be writing some numbers here. You will find its successor and predecessor. Alright. For example, 99. Next number, 420. Next number, 6,384. Next number, 7,293. So children, find out its successor. Find out its successor. Let us do together. You prompt from there, the answer to is, don't take the help of your parent. Try to do it yourself. Alright? So we will do this exercise together. Understood? So see, what number is here? 99, isn't it? So what comes after 99? Immediately after 99? 100, isn't it? So you are correct. 100. This is the successor. 100 is the successor of number 99. Alright? Now next number is 420. Now what comes after 420? Yes, you are correct. 421. 421 is the successor of 420. So next number is 6,384. So don't get confused when you see the big number. The big number will scare you, isn't it? Just see the last digit. What is here? 4, isn't it? So what comes immediately after 4? 5, yes. Now copy the same number, 6,385. Got it? Now likewise, 7,293, isn't it? So what comes immediately after 3? 4, isn't it? So your successor will be 7,294. Okay, children? Now let us do predecessor. Predecessor, like I told you, what is predecessor? The number that comes immediately before a particular number. Those numbers are written here. Now what comes before 99? What comes before 99? Yes, it is 98. What comes before 420? Now some student gets confused, isn't it? Some of you get confused when you see the digit 0 here. You don't know what to write. Is it? Just see the last 2 digits. It is 20. So you know number, isn't it? Counting number. So what comes before 20? It's 19, no? So you can easily write 419. Alright? So next number, 6,384. See the last digit. It is 4, no? Isn't it? So what would be the predecessor? 6,383. And the last one, 7,293. Yes, some of you are finding the answer from there. Very good. Clap for yourself. This is the answer. Okay, children. Now, again I revise. Successor is the number that comes immediately after a particular number. Okay? And when you get successor by adding 1. Suppose for example 50. What is the successor of 50? 50 plus 1? 51. Successor of 79? 79 plus 1? 80. So likewise predecessor is the number that comes just before a given number. Suppose for example, predecessor of 100, 99. Isn't it? Predecessor of 4, 3. Very simple. Even if you don't understand after explaining, you see this video again and again. Play the video. Alright, subscribe this channel. Play the video again and again. And again, if you have doubt, you can always ask your queries, okay, in my WhatsApp number. Alright, the number will be downloaded in our school website. From there you can get it. And I have put assignments for you also, by the way, children. I have put assignments. Assignment will also be downloaded in the school website. From there, you will do the assignment in A4 size paper. Okay, do the assignment. I make sure everybody will do and submit that assignment by tomorrow evening or by next day on Thursday. Again, I'll be back with new lesson. Alright, children. You will. What will you do? You will do this assignment in your A4 size paper and upload it in my WhatsApp number, so that I'll make sure that you do your studying, you are engaging yourself. Alright, children. Now, this was only for today. I'll be again on this coming Thursday. I'll be again here with a new lesson. Okay. Then till then, stay safe. Goodbye. Thank you.